Hi guys, in today's video I'll show you how to connect Android Auto with your Hilux. So we have the display here and I've plugged in the USB cable. I'll be plugging it into my phone right now and it will ask on or off. I'll just tap on and you can see Android Auto has come. Let's say it's still not detecting or there are some issues. You can always go in menu and go in setup and in projection settings, ensure that Android Auto is on, or if you're using Apple CarPlay it is on. Chances are it could be off, that's why it's not getting connected. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.